This here is a new garage. I know it looks old, but this is new to me because I just got to open this up months ago. So this thing was a garbage pile. It was, there were like sofas up here after like a whole dump in here. They used to just, the tenants that used to live here, they used to just bring in garbage and they would just like pile it on top of everything. And this whole garage was sealed. There was no door like this. There was no shutters like this. So we installed these later, but this whole thing was shut off with siding. So this is right across from my house. So this is pretty much where I leave all my tools. And this is basically, you know, where my workstation is. Everything charges out here, all my batteries and all that stuff. And I leave everything out here so I can quickly grab things because this garage is right next to the road, so I can, you know, bring my car right here and just grab things whenever I need to. Now the interesting part is this garage actually had electricity. I actually took them down, so you can't really see them, but this garage had you know, lines pulled and everything like that, and there was some, you know, there were some light holders somewhere up here and then up here, I think, stuff like that. So you know, they also had shutters and stuff, you know, because they had like those old pulleys and all that. But yeah, they had things out here before it got abandoned like this. So you could probably actually see these. These were part of the old wires. These are the MC wires here. But either way, nothing too much of a big deal for me because I did the wiring again. As you can see, it's really messy and I don't really care. I can obviously organize this and make it nice and stuff, but I don't really need to. So, you know, I tried, you know, as much as I needed to. I can organize these later if I ever want to, you know, hide them or anything, but I don't really care. So basically, this is what's going on. This is the outside. This is where I'm working on my trailer. There's a light here on the right side. There's a light there up on the house. So this whole part, I can light it up. And if I'm working on something, I can work on it without an issue. And then there's a light up here on the left side. And then we also have a little bit of land on this side as well, right? And putting this as I'm working on this. But this is the garage. It has a number padlock, obviously. I don't like keys. The reason why they're above the ground is because I even started digging a trench to put the wire in here, but I'm actually planning to make this paved, so I can actually work on this without having this grass on the way and stuff like that. So this is why, for the time being, I got it up here through conduits along the fences and going into the garage. So from the conduit, I come out here to the garage, and then I go out and I go to this side and put a sub panel box here with two 20 ampere breakers, and one is going with the lights and then other one is going for the outlet. So I have a total of two here, 15 amp outlets, and then I have two 20 amp outlets on that end over there. So obviously I didn't put covers on or anything like that because I just, you know, did the rough work in quick. But what I did was from this panel box, I went all the way out to the switch. The switch is right next to the door, so, you know, whenever I come in, I can always flick the switch on and off. And from the switch, I went back out and to the lights. So I got, I forgot how many lumens there are. There is a box here. These are gonna be 1680 lumen, so one of these is 1680 lumen. It's pretty bright. And I got one of these that I can adjust. And then, yeah, that one is yellow. I still have to change that. It's up there, so I needed a ladder to do that, but I couldn't change that yet. But that's what I did for the lights. And the outlet is very easy from the panel box to the outlets. Now, I needed to add two lights that you guys saw in the beginning of the video outside. And the way that I did that was I stole some power on the way from the wire going from the panel box to the main switch here for the inside of the garage. I stole some power over there. As you can see, it's in a junction box there, and then I brought it down to a switch here, and that switch goes outside. Not well, the wire from the switch continues outside, and that's one of the light on the side, on the front. And then same thing, I stole some wire from the same wire here on another panel box up there, and I continued with a 15, a white wire which is rated for 15 amps, and these is fine because I'm only doing a light here, so it's not a big issue. And I came down here, got a switch in, and then out of the switch went outside for the side light. So that's how I did this, so I can individually control these lights. So hope you guys liked it. I did another garage just like this. I'll show you guys that too. If you guys have any questions, obviously I'm not an expert on this, but if you guys have any questions, I could probably try to answer them for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.